Hi team, my name is Matthew Pevitt and I'm enrolled in the Bachelor of Engineering in the Civil stream, though I'm also interested in mechanical engineering and I'll be using the first year of this course to determine my major. I am a 35-year-old mature age student who has been in the workforce for the last 18 years. I worked first in retail, then as a motorbike postie at Australia Post for 5 years, and for the last 6.5 years I've worked at Australian Red Cross Lifeblood as a lab technician. I started as a manufacturing technician there in the processing department, where we used a fair bit of automation and robotics to process the blood packs into their constituent components. I then moved to the testing department, where we operate analyzers and performed assays to determine the safety of the blood packs that we're receiving. In testing, I had the opportunity to become a leader and a trainer. This work also involved a fair amount of automation and specialized machinery, and this side of the business was always something I was really interested in. I had the opportunity to work with engineers on various project teams, and it made me realize that this was something that I wanted to pursue. When I was told that all future promotions within the business would require a degree to continue progressing, I was at a crossroads of what I was going to do to continue learning and progressing professionally. I had some good discussions with the people in my support network about what I wanted to achieve and what my work and education values are. I settled on 4 main themes that are important to me at work. I want to be curious about what I'm doing, I want to be engaged and motivated, I want to be in a supportive environment, and I want my work to be both friendly and collaborative. It became clear to me that if I had the opportunity to return to study full-time, this was a chance to pursue something different and more in line with my values. I see my engineering studies as a real chance to try something new that would allow me to achieve the values that I want out of my work life. I want to tackle interesting and complicated problems that I enjoy thinking and talking about, and I want to be able to point to something in the world and say with pride that I was part of the team who worked on it. I'm very privileged to be given this opportunity by my wife, who's supporting me while I prioritize my studies over the next 4 years, and I hope undertaking and completing this course will lead not only to career fulfillment, but allow me to return the opportunity of trying new things and pursuing new dreams. I think the biggest challenge for me and what I am most anxious about is undertaking study after being out of school for so long. It's been a while since I've done maths and physics equations in an academic setting, and I think it'll take me a while to readjust to the rhythm of it after blowing out the cobwebs. I plan to overcome this by being proactive in my study and not avoiding the things that make me anxious. I've already contacted the Learning Hub and had a sit down with a team member who helped me make a learning plan with online tools like Khan Academy, so I can practice before those classes start. I think motivation can also be an issue when you have a busy life, but I have clear goals that I want to achieve and a determination to achieve them. I'm excited to get started on the course and hope to have many friendly conversations with the engineering team as I study to achieve my goals.